going on, guys? Today is super exciting. Finally picked up something I've been waiting to get for so long. It's my Airlift 3H kit for my Subaru. Super stoked, just got back from the border picking it up because it's way faster to go and ship it to the border than wait for Canada Post to get it to your house. But yeah, let's bust these open and see what we got. Start with this guy. Pretty sure this is the air tank. Sweet. So this is the 4-gallon polished aluminum tank with the end fittings. I was gonna try to go for a smaller tank, but I got all this stuff through Bag Riders, and they suggested that a smaller tank than this wouldn't be enough for running a whole car. So if I went with anything smaller than this, I'd probably have to get 2 tanks and run them in tandem. But I decided I'd just go with the bigger tank and figure out how to mount this. Let's put this aside. So I think this is the manifold and compressor. Install guide. Oh, nice shirt. I really do need to get a bigger table. Plate frame, stickers, nice. And we get the bi-air compressor. Just went with a single compressor. Oh, and here's some airlines. Box designed for life on air. Nice. Empty cardboard. think this is the inline water trap. I'm not too sure. Really well made harness here. Ton of airline. Alright, before we get into this fancy box, let's get into this one here. I believe are the height sensors. So the difference between the 3P and the 3H, obviously, the 3P is just pressure based, so you don't really have automatic height control. And even if you do get the 3P kit, you can always just upgrade later on and get the height sensors after, which is nice. The upgrade kit. Adjustable rods that attach to the height sensors. Some more wiring for the height sensors. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Nice hefty install guide, instruction manual. Very nice. So this is the remote. Really nice. It's almost like the first iPod that came out. It's actually got some really nice heft to it. Watching videos, I always wondered if this thing was really light, but it's feels super sturdy, really nice. Now we've got the manifold itself, and I guess this distributes the air to each strut. Not entirely sure yet, but we'll figure it out. So we got bits and pieces. Nice little cutter for the airlines. Okay, moving on. Oh man, that's heavy. So these have got to be the struts. I'm not sure if these are the front or the rear. Now the shipping invoice said this whole package weighs, or all four of these boxes only weighed 31 pounds altogether, so that's pretty light considering how much stuff is in all these. Line. Adjustment tool. fronts. Tons of adjustability in these. Cam plates on the top. This rubber bag is super hefty. I always wondered also how pliable these were, but this is like solid rubber. I don't think you'd have to worry about these blowing out or anything. Same sort of stuff in here. And these rear struts are quite a bit smaller than the front. Quite a bit lighter too. As you can see, they look way different. Alright, well that was just a quick unboxing of the 3H kit for 08 to 2014 STi hatchback. And as you can see, there's a ton of stuff that comes with it, and a ton of cardboard that I've got to figure out what to do with. But yeah, hopefully in the next video we'll get started on installing this stuff. I also just want to give a shout out to the guys at Bag Riders. They definitely helped me out in making the choices that I did. Definitely check them out if you're looking to get some air suspension. They're super knowledgeable and they get back to you so fast. Customer service was actually super good. So yeah, definitely recommend Bag Riders.